back from Florida, and we are going to Louisiana, the tallest state capital in the United States. So let's go. I'm getting 12 feet of fun. The largest state capital in the United States. I'm the Queen of Louisiana. Yep. We are going to the biggest state capital. We are on our way back from Florida right now. So, the tallest state capital in Louisiana in the United States. In the United States.
We do it.
Well, that's one big drop. I'm on top of the world. Hey. La, 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 la. I do not want to drop my phone, but we are on the 27th floor.
I want to use it for a phone. At least I can kind of roll in the air and you're my.
See, look, they're starting to crack.
Shut up.
The floor is shaking.
Oh, ashes are starting to rain. We're dead.
Oh, okay, we're leaving. Where are we?
Celestial Mountain.
No, this is vlog. This is Buc-ee's. I look like a weirdo vlogging around in Buc-ee's, but nobody knows what I'm doing. Kaden, where are we? Buc-ee's. Ice cream sandwiches. Ice cream heaven. Ice cream. Oh my gosh, yeah. Go to the bathroom. I'm gonna get some cotton candy. So right now, we're gonna go buy some glue and some food coloring so that I can make slime. Because we already have borax at home from the other times I tried to make slime. So, we're just gonna buy that and go back home. Glue. Food coloring. Yeah, pink. Looks like a light purple on screen, but then this is the purple. It looks darker on screen. And then we're in the middle of making blue. This is a very pretty blue. I love the blue. Yes, I'm eating ice cream with a fork. We were out of spoons, okay? Stop filming! So right now, I say right now too much. I'm talking to my vlog. We got Starbucks. Strawberry refresher. Delicious. Kaden's driving lesson. The scariest part of my life. Tie in your seatbelts, people.
Stay on your side.
We're moving. We're moving. Don't run into the gate, Dawn.
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. You're going too fast.
I'm scared. Me next. Me next.
Oh, heck no.
I need to clean my room. I'll show y'all this one, but this is the blue slime. It came out as the best one. My dad made the purple one. That one's okay. My mom made the pink one. That one's okay. And then I made the blue one, and it's the best one. And I added beads to it. Yeah, I like this one. I love this one. That one's one heck of a workout. We almost worked out for like an hour. We're still in our gym clothes. We're at Hobby Lobby. We've seen 4 people in gym clothes. I don't have to. You know, I'm just hanging around. Well, I got into a little fight. Just kidding, it's makeup. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. It's Hilda. I curled my hair. So on that weird note, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Yeah. Yeah, bye.